President John Dramani Mahama has set a target to raise Ghana's manufacturing sector to 15% of GDP by 2030 and create over 500,000 new industrial jobs as part of a broader structural transformation agenda to boost local production and reduce import dependence. Speaking at a stakeholder forum for the private sector, he said the move forms part of an ambitious plan to drive industrial expansion and economic growth. Here is more. President John Dramani Mahama, speaking to private sector stakeholders, said achieving this target will require deep reforms.
For over 5 decades, Ghana's manufacturing sector has contributed around 10% to GDP. Meanwhile, emerging Asian economies starting from a similar basis have achieved manufacturing share of 20% to 30% of GDP and thereby creating mass employment and export competitiveness. And so we need to change our trajectory. I've therefore set a national target. Manufacturing must contribute at least 15% of GDP by the year 2030, supported by 500,000 new quality industrial jobs. This will require structural reform and not incremental adjustments.
He also announced intensified border enforcement operations aimed at curbing illicit trade activities.
Smuggling under declaration, counterfeit goods, and rebagging of inferior products are not minor infractions. They constitute economic sabotage. To stem this tide and protect our fledgling manufacturing sector, we will intensify coordinated border enforcement, treat trade infractions as economic crimes, dismiss and prosecute public officers found culpable, deploy technology-driven customs surveillance solutions, and rigorously enforce product standards.
Let's now bring you an update on how the currency is performing on the interbank market.